What are the benefits of learning Irish Gaelic? If you're curious about why learning Irish Gaelic might be a great idea, you're in the right place. Let's explore the reasons together. First off, Irish Gaelic, or Irish as it's commonly known, is the national and first official language of Ireland. Learning it can connect you deeply to Irish culture and history. Imagine being able to read the works of famous Irish authors like James Joyce or Oscar Wilde in their original language. One of the most significant benefits is the job opportunities it can open up. In Ireland, knowing Irish Gaelic can be a requirement for certain jobs, especially in the public sector, education, and media. For instance, if you're interested in working for RTA, Ireland's national broadcaster, proficiency in Irish is often a must. Learning Irish Gaelic can also enhance your travel experiences in Ireland. When you visit the Gaeltacht regions, where Irish is the primary language spoken, you'll be able to communicate with locals and appreciate the culture more fully. You might even discover hidden gems that only speak Irish. From an educational perspective, studying a second language, especially one as unique as Irish Gaelic, can improve your cognitive skills and memory. It can also make learning other languages easier in the future. In addition, there are numerous scholarships and grants available for students who choose to study Irish Gaelic. For example, the Irish government offers scholarships for students to attend summer courses in the Gaeltacht regions. If you're interested in heritage and genealogy, knowing Irish Gaelic can help you understand your family history better. Many historical documents and family records are written in Irish, so being able to read them can be incredibly rewarding. Furthermore, learning Irish Gaelic can be a fun and challenging hobby. There are many online resources, language courses, and language exchange programs available to help you get started. You can even join Irish language clubs or attend language meetups to practice with other learners. To get started, you can enroll in a course at a local college or university that offers Irish language classes. There are also many online courses and apps like Duolingo that offer Irish Gaelic lessons. In Ireland, there are also specialized schools called Gaelscoileanna, where the entire curriculum is taught through the medium of Irish. If you're planning to move to Ireland or have children who might benefit from this, definitely worth looking into. Overall, learning Irish Gaelic is a rewarding experience that can enrich your life in many ways. Whether it's for career opportunities, cultural connection, or personal growth, it's definitely worth considering.